Today, we are unboxing a legend in foul weather lighting, the PIAA DKW538E. This is the latest evolution of the LPW530 series, and it is specifically designed as a premium ion yellow LED kit for drivers who refuse to let bad weather slow them down. When you first hold these 3.5-inch lamps, the build quality is immediate. They feature a high-strength powder-coated aluminum housing and a high-impact polycarbonate lens. These units are built to endure, carrying a 10G vibration rating and a full IP67 waterproof and dustproof certification. Whether you are dealing with engine bay heat, trail debris, or heavy pressure washing, these pods are engineered to survive it all. The real engineering marvel here is the Reflector Facing Technology, or RFT. Unlike conventional LED pods, where the bulbs face forward and rely on the lens to aim the light, PIAA aims the LEDs backward into a computer-designed multi-surface reflector. This allows for 100% light capture, resulting in a massive horizontal spread and a razor-sharp cutoff line. This precision means you get more usable light on the road and zero blinding glare for oncoming traffic. Performance-wise, these lamps deliver 2500 lumens of deep ion yellow light at a color temperature of 2500 Kelvin. While white light often reflects off fog, rain, and snow, creating a white wall effect, this specific yellow spectrum has longer wavelengths that pierce through airborne particles. This significantly improves contrast, defines the edges of the road more clearly, and drastically reduces eye fatigue during long, stressful night drives. Inside the box, PIAA provides a truly complete professional kit. You get the 2 yellow fog lamps, the iconic PIAA stone guards for extra lens protection, and a heavy-duty, pre-assembled wiring harness. The harness includes an integrated relay, an inline fuse, and a waterproof toggle switch with an LED indicator, making the installation process almost entirely plug-and-play. Despite their massive output, each lamp operates at just 20 watts, making them incredibly efficient for any vehicle's electrical system. They are also fully ECE certified and street legal, so you get race-grade performance in a road-legal package. If you are looking for the ultimate lighting upgrade for your car, truck, or motorcycle, the PIAA LPW530 Series sets the standard. You can find this kit right now at Racedom.com.